Hi everyone, I want to make a video here in YouTube about, or I want to talk about the universe and the WatchTower, because the true scale of the universe is actually amazing. And when you think about it, we humans are nothing compared to the universe, literally nothing, because the universe is like 93 billion light years across. And if you and if the if the universe is 93 meters long, and you are, well, let's say that the universe is 93 meters across in every direction, and you are inside the universe, the sphere, because the universe is like a sphere. And if you are in the middle of the sphere, you will be surrounded by all the galaxies in the universe. And the Milky Way galaxy is nothing in the universe when you think about it, because the Milky Way galaxy is 100,000 light years wide, and the Andromeda galaxy is 2.5 million light years away from us. And you know, if a billion light years is a meter, you won't believe how tiny the Milky Way galaxy is. The Milky Way galaxy is just um, like a tenth of a millimeter. If a millimeter is a thousand part of a meter, and the Milky Way galaxy is, if you have 10,000 galaxies, Milky Way galaxies, you will have 1 billion light years, or you will cover the distance of 1 billion light years. And a millimeter is, if this is a centimeter, a millimeter is like 10 times smaller. And just think about the Milky Way galaxy that is 10 times smaller than a millimeter. That is actually amazing. And there are still people like the governing body members from the WatchTower organization. They believe they are the chosen people, the chosen uh, when the chosen people in the whole universe. And that is so absurd to me, because you have to be a little bit delusional to believe in something like that. Because why would a god just create life in a planet that doesn't mean anything in the universe? It's literally, this planet is literally nothing compared to the universe. Because if you are inside the sphere in the middle, you will have a vision of 45 meters to all direction, 45 meters down, up, and to the sides. And 45 meters is like 135 feet. And the Milky Way galaxy is just one tenth of a millimeter. And I'm smiling because this is so fudging this is so stupid that some people believe they are the chosen people in the universe. No, we are just animals. Because um, we just happen to exist in a solar system, and there are billions of solar system here in this galaxy alone. And let's say that you can travel the distance of the Milky Way galaxy per second. That is 1 million light years per 10 seconds. Do you know how long it would take to to travel across the whole universe from one side to the another side? When I found out about it, I was so excited actually, because if you travel the distance of the Milky Way galaxy per second, you will reach the underside of the underside of the universe during 93,000 seconds. Or I do believe it's 93,000 seconds. That's like 30 hours. So if you are in a spaceship that is traveling that fast, it will take you over a day and night cycle to reach the other side of the universe. But anyway, that's not the important thing. The thing is that I always ask myself if there is life in the universe, and I mean advanced life like us. I am extremely sure that microscopic life exists in other parts of the universe, but I don't know if I believe that there exists life like us, and I mean like humanoid creatures with several ecosystems of animals. But it won't be nice to find out, but it probably exists. Life probably exists in the universe except from us. Because if, I mean, the Milky Way galaxy is one of several billions galaxies in the universe. There are at least 100 billion galaxies to 3 trillion galaxies. So, so the probability that there is life like us is kind of big, and there may even exist life here in the Milky Way, except from us, because the TRAPPIST system, I don't know if you know about it, but if I talk about it, I will talk about it for several minutes straight. But I want to talk about the WatchTower, because if some of you are alien, would you just create life in one galaxy or in one planet in one galaxy? That doesn't make any sense to me. Because if I would be a god, at least I would inform those beings if there is life in the universe, except from them. I would actually just answer all their questions. And I think this is so amazing that some people are just so delusional that they believe they will outlive star, because this star in the solar system will actually pass away in less than 5 billion years. And if that's the case, how will the Jehovah's Witnesses live forever? I mean, when I was a small child, when I was raised as a Jehovah's Witness, thankfully I was never baptized, but when I was raised in that mindset, I truly believed that I would live forever. And I believed in it because I know that I am a good person, but no, if you want to live forever in the paradise earth, according to WatchTower, you have to be a baptized Jehovah's Witness, and that is so conditional. And I just think that people should read more about science, because Watchtower they teach that evolution is a product of Satan, but I wasn't that indoctrinated by my parents and by my family, but the older people, like the elders, they were trying to. Sorry, I got a notification of an ex-YouTuber, Jehovah's Witness YouTuber, ex-Jehovah Panda Tower. Anyway, what was I talking about? Yeah, the elders, they tried to indoctrinate me and my siblings, and I didn't like that, because if you're a great person, you should be rewarded um, by the loving God. But honestly, how can Watchtower be so delusional and truly believe that they are the chosen beings in the universe when this galaxy, I mean, if you are in that sphere that is 93 meters across, you wouldn't even be able to see the Milkyway galaxy. You wouldn't even be able to see this planet, because this planet would be less than one Planck particle in size, and and it wouldn't be able to cover the shortest distance measured by us humans, the femtometer. The femtometer is actually the shortest distance we have actually measured, and I don't believe that this planet will cover that distance. And it's so amazing that the universe is so vast, so big, and well, I am happy that I'm not in the kingdom hall of Jehovah's Witnesses anymore, because I'm not in the delusional state of the Watchtower organization, because you have to be kind of delusional to believe that you are a part of the chosen people that is going to live forever on a paradise earth in the universe. Because yeah, I I don't know what to say anymore, but I have said most of the things that I wanted to say in this video. Ciao.